Hello everyone, this is Raju demonstrating the interior of the skull part 2 exclusively for the purpose of cranial nerves exit or entry. So now we'll see, already we know this is the foramen cecum and the frontal crest and all. So first we'll see the cribriform plate of ethmoid bone. Here we can locate the cribriform plate of ethmoid bone, so through which the olfactory nerve rootlets are connected to the olfactory bulb. Here it is, cranial nerve number 1, olfactory. Then the second one is passing through the optic canal. Here it is, the optic canal. The second cranial nerve, optic nerve, passes through this optic canal. Then we know that the third cranial nerve is called as oculomotor nerve, which has its two divisions, which will be usually found in the intermediate part of the superior orbital fissure, which is located here. It's a cut one. This is the intermediate part of the superior orbital fissure we can locate. So there are two divisions, the superior and inferior division. Then the fourth cranial nerve is the trochlear nerve, which is located in the superior orbital fissure in the lateral compartment. From lateral to medial, we know that lacrimal nerve, frontal nerve, and the trochlear nerve was located, and in which the trochlear nerve is the fourth cranial nerve in the lateral compartment of the superior orbital fissure. Then the fifth cranial nerve. Fifth cranial nerve, we know that it is a trigeminal nerve, which is located in the trigeminal cave in the form of trigeminal ganglion, which is dividing into ophthalmic division, then maxillary division, and the mandibular division. So ophthalmic division again subdivides into lacrimal, frontal, and nasociliary, in which the lacrimal and frontal nerves are located in the lateral compartment of the superior orbital fissure here, and the nasociliary nerve is located in between the superior and inferior divisions of oculomotor nerve here in the intermediate compartment. So nasociliary nerve is located in the intermediate compartment. Then the sixth cranial nerve is abducent nerve, which is located in the intermediate compartment again, the superior orbital fissure. Then comes to the seventh cranial nerve, which is a facial nerve located or passing through the internal acoustic meatus. Here you can see, and which will exit from the skull through the stylomastoid foramen. And the eighth cranial nerve, which is a vestibulocochlear nerve, again passes through the internal acoustic meatus. Then the ninth, 10th, and 11th cranial nerves are passing through the jugular foramen, which is located here, jugular foramen. This is jugular fossa, and this is jugular foramen. 9th, 10th, and 11th cranial nerves, glossopharyngeal nerve, vagus nerve, and the accessory nerve. Then there are the condylar canals, hypoglossal canal we call it as hypoglossal canal, right and left. So through which the 12th cranial nerve will emerge. So I repeat once again, cranial nerve number 1, olfactory nerve, the cribriform plate, here you can locate. The cranial nerve number 2, optic nerve, passes through the optic canal. Then the cranial nerve number 3, oculomotor nerve, superior and inferior divisions, which will be found in the intermediate compartment of the superior orbital fissure. Then the fourth cranial nerve is located in the lateral compartment of the superior orbital fissure, trochlear nerve. Then the trigeminal nerve with its trigeminal ganglion in Meckel's cave or the trigeminal cave. Then divisions into ophthalmic division, the maxillary division, and the mandibular division. Ophthalmic division again divides into lacrimal, frontal, and nasociliary. Lacrimal, frontal are located in the lateral compartment, whereas the nasociliary nerve is located in the intermediate compartment. Then the maxillary nerve passes through the foramen rotunda. Then we know already that the mandibular nerve passes through the foramen ovale. Foramen ovale is located here. Then the sixth cranial nerve, abducent nerve, also located in the medial intermediate compartment of or medial aspect of the lateral one. That means the intermediate compartment of the superior orbital fissure. Then the seventh cranial nerve, facial nerve, is located through the internal acoustic meatus, and the eighth cranial nerve is located through the intermediate internal acoustic meatus, the vestibulocochlear nerve. Then the ninth glossopharyngeal and the vagus and the accessory nerves are located through the jugular foramen. You can see the jugular foramen here. Then the hypoglossal canal allows the hypoglossal nerve, is a 12th cranial nerve. This is about the cranial nerves. Thank you very much.